welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a subscription box unboxing thing for the nail art lovers, nail polish, nail stamping, anybody that's interested in that kind of stuff. We're going to be doing an unboxing of, I think it's a new subscription box, maybe not brand new, but like fairly new, and I really haven't seen anybody else do any videos on this. Granted, I definitely have kind of been absent from the YouTube world a little bit lately, like the past 2 years, because I've had other things on my mind. Anyways, completely beside the point. Just a couple of things to get out of the way. First of all, I think that I'm going to be filming like a crap ton of videos today, so if you see me in this same ensemble, that's what that is about. I'm just trying to like bang out as many videos as I possibly can before my kids wake up from their nap, and this is also going to be a super busy week. I'm throwing 2 parties at my house this week, one being my baby Arlo's first birthday party, which there will be a video on the decorations and all of that stuff coming up very soon, because that was just super fun for me to film. And then also, what else? Oh yeah, and then Halloween. Halloween's gonna be crazy this year. Beside the point, again, I cannot focus, I swear. I'm just super excited to actually be like filming in front of nail polish again. Like, this is amazing, right? We haven't been filming in front of nail polish in so long. So happy to be doing it again. Bear with me if the lighting is a little bit funny, if the audio is a little echoey and stuff. I'm trying out this new filming space, like I said. This is gonna be a little bit of trial and error until I figure it out. So really quick before we get started, I know, I'm sorry, I'm really making you guys wait for it. On my nails is, I'm so in love with this nail art design. I will probably insert a picture because I'm assuming you can't see very well, but this is a nail art design that I just uploaded a tutorial on it. It's inspired by Sally from The Night Before Christmas, and that is what I'm going to be for Halloween this year. And I've just really been rocking the Night Before Christmas vibes like this whole year, because Everett just watched it for the first time a couple months ago. He fell in love, and now that's all he can talk about is Jack Skellington, and I am totally happy to fangirl along with him. So that, oh yeah, and in case you're wondering, I'm wearing Maybelline, what is it called? Sapphire Siren. That's what I'm wearing. Okay, now finally, I'm sorry. Without further ado, let us open up. Can you tell it's been like a really long time since I filmed in this kind of, yeah. Anyways, let's open the box. This is, what is this? This is Maniology Mani X Me, or maybe it's like Mani and Me, or Mani by Me or something, but it's Mani, like manicure, and an X and me. So if you guys know how I'm supposed to say it, let me know, so I don't look dumb anymore. This, I was seriously just shopping on the Maniology website. It's getting hard for me to remember that they're not Bundle Monster anymore, because I've known them for so many years as Bundle Monster, but I'll get over it. Anyways, I was just shopping on their website, and I saw that they have a freaking subscription box. And you can ask Michael, I literally almost peed my pants when I saw that. I was super excited. I really miss doing subscription box unboxings for you guys. And I just really like Maniology products. I can't think of a product that I've tried from them that I haven't loved. This is totally not sponsored. I kind of wish that it was. If Maniology knew that I existed, that would kind of be awesome for me, but no, this is not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money, and just to let you know, I was so excited when I saw that this was on their website. I just kind of jumped the gun and paid for 6 months ahead of time. I didn't even like try a box just to see if I would like it. I just straight up went and bought a 6-month subscription. So you guys are going to be seeing at least 6 of these, maybe more. Just to give you, I don't want to read too much. I did open this box when I got it 2 days ago, because I have no self-control, and I'd been waiting for this box for a really long time. So yeah, I opened it. Shame on me, I know, whatever. And I even featured one of the products that I got. I featured that in the tutorial. As always, my last 5 videos are always linked in the description bar below. And sorry, this is tissue paper. That's super loud. Let me just give you a quick synopsis of what this box is about. The Mani X Me Monthly Club. Some of the proceeds from each box help eliminate racism and empower women through economic advancement programs at the local YWCA. So I'm assuming that this is like their local YWCA, which is in Honolulu, I think. So that's kind of cool. That makes me, I mean, I probably would buy the box no matter what, but it makes me feel better that it's going towards a good cause. And then each month you'll receive 2 exclusive nail stamping plates not available anywhere else. That was another big selling point for me because I totally didn't want to be missing out on super cute plates. And if you don't want to either, and you have that addiction problem with buying nail polish and stamping plates and all those things, maybe you shouldn't watch this video. Maybe you should click out right away. And also 2 brand new coordinating stamping polish colors. That was another big selling point for me. 2 stamping plates, 2 stamping polishes. That's just awesome. And then you also receive a surprise gift to complete the look, valued at over $60. So the monthly subscription, I believe that it is supposed to be $25 a month is their regular price. Because I bought the 6-month subscription, my boxes are $20 a month, so I don't know if that helps you at all. I'm just gonna like get comfortable and like, I have like boxes and chairs all over the place trying to set up all the lights and stuff. It's a mess in this room right now. Okay, I'm sorry guys. I know that I just need to focus and get on with the unboxing, but it's hard for me. I miss filming like this. Let's open the first thing in the box. Oh yeah, I should probably show you what's in the box. So this is what it looks like when you open it. That's all your stuff in there, and then the stamping plates are in the bottom. It comes with a little bit, like a little stamping guide thingy, which I think is super hilarious. I read this, and you know how I've been telling you guys this since I started doing stamping things on YouTube. Basically, stamping is like total trial and error. Just do your best. You got to find out what rhythm, which technique, which polishes, which plates, which acetone. You got to find like a good combination that works for you. Granted, stamping plates have come a long way over the past, how long have I been doing this? I don't know. I've been stamping for like 8 or 9 years, I think, somewhere around there. And the quality of the products have gotten a lot better. So it's a lot easier. It's less trial and error. But I just thought it was so funny that it said, where does it say? It says in here, this is like instructions on how to learn how to stamp. It says either go up and down or a rolling technique, experiment with different techniques to see what works best for you. Because I don't know why I think that that's so funny, but they're basically like, it's trial and error, figure it out on your own. Because that's kind of how stamping is. It's really, really easy once you get the hang of it, but it is kind of like, it's a process to try and learn how to do it. So first things, I'm going to show you the nail polishes that come in the box, and they come in this cute little other box. And this is for the month of November, if I didn't already say that. So everything is kind of fall-like, and these are super pretty nail polishes. I will be putting in little close-up pictures. I probably won't be able to do swatches, but who knows, maybe I'll get ambitious and be able to do that. This one is called Spiced Orange, which is a really pretty kind of shimmery metallic. And then this really, really deep red is called Merlot. So I'm very happy that I have these because, I mean, my stamping polish collection is honestly like this big. I just try and make other polishes work when I need like a unique color for stamping. So it's really nice to have like stamping specific polishes. Of course you can use these as regular nail polishes. If you're used to using like thinner nail polishes, then it might be a little bit of a challenge for you, but I personally like a little bit of a thicker formula anyway, so I enjoy that. And then the next thing in the box is this little tube thingy, and this is what I actually used in my Sally nail art tutorial. And this is, come on out of there. This is, I believe it's called the Ice Cube Rectangular Clear Stamper, but it is a pretty big stamper, and it's rectangular. It's a squishy, sticky stamper, and it worked really, really well. I really enjoyed it for that nail art tutorial, and it comes with a little scraper guy, and it's like half of the size of a normal scraper, which I kind of like because sometimes the big old clunky scrapers get in your way. And then another little, I'm guessing this is probably, I don't know which thing is the surprise gift. If this is the surprise gift and this is the thing that completes the look, or if they're all surprise gifts, I don't really know. This is the Essential Cuticle and Nail Oil, and it's sweet orange scented, and it's pretty cute. It's pretty cute, and I can never use too many nail, hand, whatever, nourishing products. It's very lightly scented. I wonder if once I get it on the nail, if it'll smell more, but that's always nice to have. I mean, I'm not gonna say no to free cuticle oil. Well, I guess it's not free, but they're trying to make me think that it's free, you know. Anyways, these are the two plates. These are super fall themed. I'm gonna try and put in pictures. Sometimes it's hard to take pictures of stamping plates because they are very reflective, but if I keep the blue film on there, hopefully that will help. I don't know, I'm gonna see, once I get these in the light box, I'll see how good the pictures come out. But this first one is Maniology plate M033, and it's definitely out of my comfort zone. These are not typically the kinds of plates that I would pick out for myself, but I'm really excited to try and make a new design with them. It's just kind of like there's a lot of leaves and tree designs and things that say like autumn and stuff, but it's just kind of like, I can't describe what is up with the designs. They're just a little bit, I don't know, maybe like 80s or something. It's kind of cool. I really kind of dig it, and they're very rustic and pretty. And then the next one is, this one's probably my favorite. This one is Maniology plate M034, and this one's got a lot more like flowery designs on them. It still kind of follows that, like, I don't know, I just feel like they kind of have like an 80s, 90s kind of vibe. God, that bra strap really just wants to, he just wants to come to the party. It's just really unique leafy designs. I don't know how else to describe it, but you guys will be able to see in the pictures, hopefully, fingers crossed. But I'm actually really pleased with my first box. It's kind of awesome. It kind of really is. I'm gonna wrap up this video because I know that the intro to this was probably super duper long. I really do apologize for that. But what's the new motto of my channel? We're just gonna roll with it. What's done is done. I'm not going to refilm it. I just had a bunch of stuff that I wanted to get out and tell you guys. So if you wanted to see the end of the video, thank you for sticking around. You are amazing. And like I said, I'm going to be filming a crap ton of other videos, and it sounds like my Arlo is trying to wake up way too early. I'm going to have to go take care of that. Oh my god, and my dog's barking now. Ugh, I hope somebody is not at the door. Alright, I love you guys so much. I will talk to you later. Love you. Bye!